This is called a mortising gauge. It just looks completely brown, but I assure you there is a lot of brass in here. Let's see if we can clean her up. I'm gonna be sanding very lightly with some 220 grit, but essentially, I can't be sanding too much because at the end of the day, I still need this to fit in snugly. Just a couple rubs, you can see a lot of that old stuff coming off. Ouch, fuck me. God damn it. 80-year-old sliver. Linseed oil. That pops nice now. Boom. What do you think about that? How's that look now? This probably in total took me an hour